To live in the Pacific, it's paradise.
You get to connect with nature every single day.
We may be diverse in our language and culture, but we are connected by the blue Pacific Ocean, and that unifies us as one Pacific Island country.
This year marks the 30th anniversary of the Healthy Island vision. It was envisioned right here in Anuja Island. The Healthy Island concept that was born 30 years ago is still relevant today. It will still be relevant 30 years from now.
Ravi d'être ici et c'est une magnifique île pour passer les 30 ans de l'école en santé. C'est franchement le plus bel endroit qu'on peut voir.
We've come from all over the Pacific, and I'm from the Cook Islands.
I'm come from French Polynesia.
I'm from Palau.
It's the collaboration, meeting with other countries that have similar issues to us, but also hopefully finding the right partners that can collaborate and work with us. It's also important that more spotlight is shown on the Pacific. We do good things as well, and we also have stories to tell. More meetings need to be hosted in the Pacific so that the world can recognize and see the leadership that the Pacific has to offer.
How do we help Pacific families, Pacific communities, Pacific countries increase their health? And how can we do that in a collaborative way?
1 in 3 of our adults have diabetes, 4 in 10 have hypertension. Most concerning to me is that our children in the 5 to 9 age group are leading obesity within the region.
How do you live with the context of climate change and how it affects health? The coastal erosion has really taken its effect.
Growing up in the islands, climate change is what we see. Working in a limited resources environment makes us more resilient, more innovative, and we work within our means.
It is through these meetings that we share ideas. We value the insights of our development partners, especially WHO, who come in on board and try and assist us, especially the Pacific Islands.
There were a few important achievements we celebrated together: measles and rubella elimination. The most difficult part is to maintain that elimination status. It's a moment of reflection, how far we have come, what we have achieved, how far we must still go for the next 25 years.
We are here, one purpose, and for the next 20 years, we must make a difference. When I have the power to make a difference, then I do. So I want to thank you all for the commitment, for your passion, and for your love for the Pacific Island.
Healthy Islands, to me, is when our people get to live healthier, more longer lives, so they can spend time with their grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and not having to have the type of health conditions that we have today.
I always end with a clear sense of hope, a clear sense of optimism. And one of the things that has really stood out for me at this meeting is the strong commitment to healthy islands into the future by all of the ministers and all of the leaders that we hear.
There's so much that we can do for a healthier Pacific, and I hope we can do it together.